Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Paige and I are down the river again, third time in a row. Today, basically doing the same thing, but just at a few different spots today. Diving edges, looking for rubbish, filming any fish we see, and basically just having a good time. So let's get into it, eh?
That's what we about, living by the sea, sipping on some rum, under the shade of a tree. That's what we about, just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. On an island where no one can find me. The sun, ocean, sipping on some rum. The sun, ocean, on an island where no one can find me. The sun, ocean, in the party just begun.
Yeah, alright, so Paige and I were just diving along this edge here, and we were right on the bottom and we seen something, and so we went and pulled it up, and it was another old abandoned crab pot. So it was just sitting on the bottom of the river, so we picked it up. And if anyone knows of a Bill Watson who's lost a crab pot in Noosa, we got your crab pot, mate.
Bottle. If you haven't drank along the river, always pick up the empties and take them home with you.
Alright guys, so as you would have just seen, we went for a little dive over on this rock ledge. We were going to go into Wyber, but we decided we'd stop there. We were there for about 20 minutes and we picked up a heap of line. We got this right here. That's all fishing line mixed in with freaking sticks and all that. This is all plastic bags. We found some beer bottles. This is all just rope, some sunnies. Found another abandoned crab pot, a camp chair at the bottom of Munna Bridge, and all these soft plastics and sinks. So that's off like 20 meters of rock wall we found that much shit. And like yeah, like I understand the line and all that where you get snagged and you can't really get it back, but the stubbies and all the other stuff, that's just pure laziness, and that's what frustrates me. So we're gonna keep sorting this out, pack it all up, go chuck it in the bin, and continue on with the day, eh? So alright guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to hit the like button. If you want to see some more of this, subscribe. But we're going to pack up the boat, head home, and get ready for another day. So, see you later, eh?